ready for the countdown. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Om Swastiastu. Nangun Sat Kerti Lo ke Bali melalui pola pembangunan semesta berencana menuju Bali era baru. Hi everyone and hello student. Welcome to Ruang Guru and welcome to my video. On this video and on this session, we are going to talk about your school's holiday. I think that you just come back from your holiday, and for this video, let me ask you two questions. Well guys, I want to know, did you enjoy your holiday, or have you spent your time during your holiday as well? Well, before you answer my questions, let me make the list. Let me write down the questions, the two questions. Okay, can you see the difference between the questions? Well guys, maybe you have a big confusion when you want to answer these two questions. Let me make it clear. For the first question, did you enjoy the holiday? You just need to answer by answering yes or no. So if you want to answer yes, it will be yes, I did. But if you want to say no, it will be no, I did not, or I didn't. For the second question, you will answer if yes, it will be yes, I have, or if not, it will be yes, no, I have not. Now let us talk about different examples. For the first example, I take simple past tense, and the sentence will be, I visited Pandawa Beach last month. And the second example will be in form of present perfect tense, and the sentence will be, I have visited Pandawa Beach. See the difference? Well, let me explain. The first example that is using simple past tense, you just simply state the sentence and just need to change the base verb of visit. So the base verb here is visit into the past verb, and the past verb is visited. And the sentence will be, I visited Pandawa Beach last month. Last month is already past, right? It's already past. So the sentence must be in form of past. While the second sentence that is using present perfect tense, you state an experience in which you have ever been to our beach, and you don't need to mention the time. You just need to say that I am experienced of visiting our beach. I hope that you understand my previous explanation. Let me continue to explain about how about simple past tense, or how about present perfect tense, and what are their function. So guys, let me make it clear that simple past tense and present perfect tense are different. Let me compare that. Simple past tense is used. You use simple past tense to state or to make statement, to make sentence that is about your past experience or past activity. Meanwhile, present perfect tense is used, or you use present perfect tense as the statement to state your experience. You got it? So, I think that's all for this session, and I hope you understand very well about the comparison between simple past tense and present perfect tense. And after this, we are going to have the quiz about those two tenses. And if you have any further questions, please give a comment below. Thank you, and see you later.